To set your Galaxy Watch to measure your heart rate continuously for better health tracking, you have to set heart measurement to continuously. You can do so directly from your watch setting menu and from the Wearable app on your phone. As the example, we will do so from the Wearable app on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. To do so, go to the app screen, find Wearable app, and then tap it, tap watch setting, tap health, under measurement section, tap heart rate, and then select measure continuously. With this setting, your watch will now automatically measure your heart rate throughout the day, given to the function. By enabling continuous heart rate monitoring, your Galaxy Watch provides real-time insight into your heart health. It's especially useful during workout, stressful moment, or simply for keeping a better eye on your well-being, hands-free and all day long. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.